Gravy can go on biscuits, it can go on potatoes. You can put this gravy on, you know, whatever. This is just a great, super simple, easy recipe to do. Any good gravy, you gotta start with some fat. We cooked up a little bit of sausage earlier, and as sausage, you don't get a ton of fat out of the sausage, especially if it's lean. So we're gonna have to add a little bit more. You can either put some bacon fat in here, bacon grease. One of my all-time favorite is butter, of course. So we got about a little less than a half a cup of fat in there. So I'm gonna wanna do that same amount in flour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the flour. Keep slowly adding flour in there. What I'm looking for, now we got this foam starting to come up. It's nice and liquid. This is gonna be a great little roux. I'm gonna add a little bit of color to mine. That might go against what some people believe in as far as white gravy goes, but you know what? I'm all about the flavor. So we're gonna start adding some milk. Just add a little bit at a time. Get all that mixed in. All right, so key to this is make sure you get all the clumps off. I'm just go ahead and scrape. If I need to, I'll mash them out. As the temperature comes up, it's gonna start to thicken. And you can actually add more milk if you need to, if it starts to get too thick on you. If it's still too thin, just keep cooking it. So, key to a good roux is make sure your roux temperature is different from the liquid going in. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of pepper. This is a coarse ground pepper, and I just start salting it. A little bit at a time. It's a good thing to do while you're letting that thicken up, is just go ahead and start adding your salt. We've got this on a pretty low heat. We don't want this to go too quick, and we don't want our milk to curdle. This is probably going against everything everybody believes in, but I like cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne into here. We're just gonna go ahead and add that sausage in. Woo! Mix that in. Woo! We got some biscuits here. Look at the flakes on that bad boy. A little gravy over the top. Oh man. Guys, like, comment below, subscribe, help us keep these videos rolling. And I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat me some biscuits.